2026 Honda Shine, a motorcycle that continues to define reliability and practicality in the commuter segment. This episode is designed for serious viewers who want complete understanding, not quick headlines. The legacy of the Honda Shine. The Honda Shine has earned its reputation through years of consistent performance, fuel efficiency, and low maintenance costs. It has become a trusted choice for office commuters, delivery riders, students, and long-distance daily users. Honda's philosophy with the Shine has never been about aggressive styling or high performance, but about creating a machine that works every single day without complaint. The 2026 update builds directly on that legacy. Why the 2026 update is important? The motorcycle market is changing. Emission regulations are stricter, fuel prices are unpredictable, and riders expect more refinement even in commuter motorcycles. The 2026 Honda Shine update is Honda's response to these realities. Rather than reinventing the Shine, Honda has focused on improving efficiency, ride comfort, mechanical smoothness, and long-term durability. This update matters because it ensures the Shine remains relevant for the next generation of riders. Design evolution and exterior refinement. The 2026 Shine maintains a familiar silhouette, ensuring existing owners feel instantly comfortable. However, the design has been subtly refined. Body panels now feature smoother lines, improved panel gaps, and a more cohesive overall shape. The fuel tank design is slightly more contoured, improving knee grip and rider stability during long commutes. Paint quality has been improved with better resistance to fading and scratches. Graphics are clean and minimal, designed to age well rather than follow short-term trends. The overall look is mature, professional, and purpose-driven. Ergonomics and rider comfort. Comfort remains a top priority for the Shine. The upright riding posture continues, reducing strain on the wrists, back, and shoulder. The handlebar position, foot peg placement, and seat height work together to create a relaxed and confidence-inspiring riding triangle. Riders of different heights can easily adapt, making the Shine accessible to a wide audience. Engine updates and performance character. The 2026 Honda Shine continues with its trusted commuter-class engine, now refined for smoother operation and cleaner emissions. While peak power figures are not the focus, the engine delivers predictable and usable torque across the rev range. Low-end and mid-range performance have been optimized to make city riding effortless. Internal refinements reduce friction and mechanical noise, resulting in a calmer and more refined engine feel. The throttle response is smoother, especially at low speeds, helping riders navigate traffic with greater control and confidence. Emissions compliance and fuel efficiency. One of the most significant changes for 2026 is improved emissions compliance. Honda has updated the fuel injection system and exhaust design to meet new standards without compromising efficiency. The result is a cleaner running engine that still delivers excellent fuel economy. In real-world conditions, riders can expect consistent mileage, reduced heat generation, and stable performance even during long idle periods. These changes benefit both the environment and the rider's wallet. Transmission and everyday rideability. The gearbox remains tuned for everyday usability. Gear ratios are designed to minimize frequent shifting while maintaining responsive acceleration. The clutch action is light and progressive, reducing fatigue during heavy traffic riding. Honda has also worked on vibration reduction, improving engine mounting and balancing. This leads to a smoother ride, especially at cruising speeds, making the Shine more comfortable for longer journeys. Suspension setup and road handling. The suspension system has been subtly retuned for better comfort on uneven roads. Front suspension AB. Braking performance has been refined for better control and consistency. The braking system provides improved feedback, allowing riders to modulate braking force more precisely. This enhances safety, particularly in urban riding conditions where sudden stops are common. Honda's focus remains on predictable braking rather than aggressive stopping power, ensuring confidence across different road surfaces and weather conditions. Instrumentation and practical features. The instrument cluster has been updated for better readability. Information such as speed, fuel level, and warning indicators are clear and easy to interpret at a glance. Backlighting has been improved for night riding, reducing eye strain. Honda continues to avoid unnecessary complexity, keeping the interface simple and functional, exactly what commuter riders prefer. Build quality and durability. Build quality is one of the strongest aspects of the 2026 Shine. Honda has improved material quality in key areas such as switches, wiring, insulation, and fasteners. These changes enhance long-term reliability and reduce wear over time. The Shine is engineered to withstand years of daily use with minimal issues. Components are designed for durability, and the overall construction reflects Honda's commitment to long-lasting products. Maintenance, service, and ownership costs. Maintenance remains straightforward and affordable. Service intervals are designed to reduce downtime, and spare parts are widely available. The engine's simple and proven design ensures that routine maintenance is both cost-effective and reliable. Low fuel consumption, strong resale value, and dependable performance make the 2026 Shine an economical choice for long-term ownership. Who should consider the 2026 Honda Shine? The 2026 Honda Shine is ideal for riders who value reliability, comfort, and efficiency over speed and styling. It suits daily commuters, working professionals, students, and anyone looking for a stress-free riding.